Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Scrapbook.com just released a fun new collection called Joyful. Scrapbook.com sent me their new Joyful collection, so I thought I would show you everything that's included. I am planning on doing at least a 10 card one collection video with this beautiful collection. It'll probably end up being more than 10 cards. You can purchase the collection now, and I do have links provided in the description box below. I'll start with the Joyful pattern paper. It's available in 6x8 and also A2 size. Both paper pads include a total of 40 sheets, and there are 5 of each pattern. So you will have plenty of paper to make lots and lots of cards. The paper is also a nice heavyweight cardstock. It's 230 GSMs. Here's a comparison between the 6x8 and A2 size paper. And you can see here the designs are the same scale size. Sometimes the smaller paper pads have a smaller design, but in this collection they are the same size. I'll flip through the paper pad so you can get an idea of what's included. I'll use the 6x8 size so you can get a closer look. I'll start with one side. These are all double-sided papers. The paper pads include 5 sheets of each design. The colors in this collection are bright and cheerful, perfect if you need a little break from holiday cards right now. We have lots of lovely florals. There's some stripes. Here's some beautiful, colorful butterflies. There are a couple of solids. So here's a nice orange. Here's an orange and yellow gingham. More bright and cheerful flowers. Now I'll flip it around so you can see the design on the back side. More lovely flowers, a very soft peach color, yellow background with some orangish red flowers, yellow solid. Here's another beautiful vivid floral design. This one has yellow flowers with a purple background, a tone-on-tone leaf design, and finally a very dark green. There's also a new Joyful Smooth Cardstock collection. Lots of beautiful, bright and cheerful colors. These coordinate with the pattern paper, but you can also use them separately. I always purchase Scrapbook.com smooth cardstock packs, so I have a nice variety of cardstocks on hand. The smooth cardstock also includes 40 sheets, 5 sheets of each color. The cardstock weight is slightly lighter. It's 210 GSM, so it's still a really nice heavy cardstock. There's a fun variety of different colors. There's an orangish red, a couple different shades of orange, an orangish yellow, a light teal, purple, and 2 different shades of green. And the back side of the paper is the same color as the front side. And you can see here how it coordinates beautifully with the Joyful pattern paper. Next we have some rub-on transfers. This one's called Joyful Flowers. The colors and designs match beautifully with the Joyful pattern paper. There are 2 sheets, lots and lots of beautiful icons, flowers, butterflies, and there are also a few sentiments. There's the large "Hello, you're so wonderful," and "Thank you," then a few smaller sentiments. And they've even included a popsicle stick to make it easy to remove the rub-ons. The next item in the release is a stamp and coordinating die set called Joyful Wishes. This stamp set has the large sentiment "Hi" written in cursive, lots of small sentiments. We have "Sending you a hug," "Thinking of you," "Congratulations," "Good luck to you," "Thank you so much," "How are you doing?" "You're my best friend," "I miss you so much." There are also lots of images, and I love that these images are solid, so you don't need to do any coloring. The coordinating die set also has the sentiment "Hi" plus the outline for it. The next die set is called Joyful, and I really like this design. It has a large circle frame, the sentiment "Thank you," and it has the several different layers to give this sentiment a shadow look. Then we have lots of image dies, flowers, foliage, and butterflies. The final 3 die sets are all sentiments, and I love that they include the drop shadow and the outline. The first one has the sentiment hello and hi friend. The next one includes hugs and love you. And the final set includes congrats and good luck. There is one other sentiment set with hooray and happy birthday, but I didn't receive that one. If you are interested in any of the products from Scrapbook.com's Joyful Collection, I do have links provided in the description box below. I love this bright and cheerful collection and can't wait to get started on the cards. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.